Hello everyone. Today we will see how to make Suji Idlis. To make these Suji Idlis, take 2 tablespoons of oil in a saucepan and add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds to it. Along with it, add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a quarter teaspoon of Channa dal, a few curry leaves and a quarter teaspoon of Urad dal. Then I'm going to add 2 green chillies. I have cut these chillies into big pieces because I intend to remove these chillies a little later on as I'm making this for small children. But in case you're making this Suji Idli for adults, then make sure you chop these green chillies into small fine pieces, and that will give a very good taste to this idli. And then add half a teaspoon of ginger paste. If you don't have ginger paste, then add a half a teaspoon of finely chopped ginger. Saute all this in the oil for some time and then add 1 cup of suji. Roast this suji in this oil for about 5 to 6 minutes. Keep the flame at medium and then fry for about 5 to 6 minutes. Then let it cool for some time. As it is cooling down, like I mentioned earlier, I removed all the large green chilli pieces. You can chop it into fine pieces if you're making it for adults. Then add 3/4 cup of curd. Make sure this curd is fresh curd and it's thick curd. This curd should not be very sour. Then we'll start adding water and mixing this to make a nice mixture. You will need anywhere between half to 3/4 cup of water. Add little by little and keep mixing till you get an idli batter consistency. Then add the required salt and mix it in. And then add a handful of coriander leaves, chop it fine and add it in. Mix this all together. Once this is done, cover this saucepan and let it rest for about 10 minutes. As it is resting, this suji will absorb the excess water and it will become nice and soft. So cover it and let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. After 10 minutes, you can open the pan, and if you find the suji to be very thick, add a little bit of water and mix it again to bring it back to that idli batter consistency. If after 10 minutes your suji is not very thick, then you need not add any extra water. Once the batter is ready, finally add half a teaspoon of lemon juice. Along with this, add a quarter teaspoon of baking soda. It's very important to add this baking soda. If you don't have this baking soda, you can add a little bit of ENO. Only with this baking soda or ENO, you'll get a nice and soft idli. Then grease your idli plates with a little bit of oil so that the idli comes out without sticking to the pan. Now transfer the batter onto the idli plates and it's ready to be steam cooked. Heat a pot with a little bit of water. Once the water starts boiling, place the idli plates inside the steamer and cook the idli for about 8 to 10 minutes. After 8 minutes, open the idli steamer and check with a knife or a toothpick like this. If it comes out clean, then it is done. Don't remove the idli plates immediately. Switch off the flame and keep the idli pot closed for about 3 minutes. The idli will continue to cook in the residual heat. Then you can remove it onto a plate. So this is it, a very easy and simple, soft and tasty suji or semolina idli is done. You can make this for breakfast or for dinner also. Instead of the normal idli that we usually eat, this is a little different. Do try it out. Until next time, bye-bye.